The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Hi there, friends. I'm meteorologist Jeff Hanowich. We're seeing a little more sunshine north, more cloud cover to the south. We are also potentially even seeing a couple of little showers close to Mount Rogers and southwestern parts of Grayson County. Might be one little rogue sprinkle right along the Carroll-Patrick County line south of Highway 58. Outside of that, we are indeed dry for now. Future tracker showing that tonight we're going to have, I think, clouds in and out of our backyards. Okay, we'll call tonight variably cloudy. I do think tomorrow does start dry with some sunshine for us, but the sun is rather short-lived. I would say by the afternoon hours, we're going to start to cloud up. And in the afternoon, may start to see just a couple of little showers forming as soon as noon, 1, 2 o'clock, okay? But you need to know most of us are dry on Thursday during the day, okay? You'll notice by about dinner time, this is 5, 6, 7 o'clock, we're going to start to see some spotty showers working their way in towards western parts of the New River Valley. This is for like the I-77 corridor and points to the west. Watch what happens, though, Thursday night. Rain starts to become a little more widespread by midnight. And then after midnight, here's round one. Okay, round one is going to be some heavier downpours late Thursday night into Friday morning. May get a little bit of a break midday on Friday. Okay, by lunchtime on Friday, may only have a few showers or storms around. But the problem becomes we're not done yet. We're going to have another round of some scattered showers and thunderstorms pushing in later Friday afternoon into Friday evening. And that's where we could potentially have some thunderstorms again mixing into the picture. So how much rain do we see here through Saturday morning? Again, this takes into account anything we see tonight all the way through Friday night. Looks like we're going to see anywhere from about 1 inch to 2.5 inches of rain. Okay, so while I'm not anticipating any widespread flooding issues, we may need to keep an eye on those creeks, streams, and rivers as they may start to rise for us here by Friday night. Now, I will tell you also that we need the rain, okay? The latest drought monitor shows that we're abnormally dry for areas basically east of Interstate 81, with already a moderate drought setting in into portions of Amherst, Nelson, and Appomattox counties. So we need the rain. And rain is coming. We're going to see a lot of it here as we head, especially in late Thursday night into Friday. The other thing the rain is going to do is it's going to wipe away some of the pollen. Notice on Friday where there's about a 90 to 100% chance for rain, pollen levels go way down. When we start to dry out on Saturday, pollen levels start to go back up again. But when rain chances come back into play on Sunday, those pollen levels start to drop again. So when it's wet outside at this time of year, that tends to wipe away at least some of the pollen. As we look at the beginning of May, it looks like we're going to have cooler than average weather likely, although as we head likely say from May 5th, May 6th on, we're going to start to really warm things up. And it also looks like the beginning part of May could actually be drier than average. So we're going to get rid of the rain just in time for May 1 to start. Temperatures right now, 58 in Hot Springs, 62 Wytheville, 64 Roanoke, 65 as we speak in Lynchburg. For tonight, variable clouds were cool. Overnight lows tonight about 39 to 47. For the day tomorrow, turning mostly cloudy, going to have some showers late, especially in the New River Valley. Highs tomorrow, 60s to near 70. Your extended forecast. 63 Friday, rain, lots of rain, okay? Saturday, we see increasing sunshine. Sunday, another chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms will develop, especially from the afternoon on. We'll dry things out, I think, early next week. Temperatures all over the place. Some days in the 70s, some days in the 60s for the next 7 days.